Since I was born, my father was telling me education, 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 education. And I believe on education, I believe on long-term impact.
So the Western Union Foundation supports education. And we do this because we really do hope and believe that getting a quality education today leads to better employment opportunities tomorrow. The idea is that we're inviting scholars from anywhere around the world taking a higher education degree to apply for one of our WU and Agent scholarship programs. We're giving $2,500, or the equivalent in local currency, towards the higher education. So we're looking for global scholars to apply to our program. The three attributes we're looking for are perseverance, aspiration, and to demonstrate that you're community-minded.
I'm studying to pursue an accounting, master's and bachelor's degree. I plan on using it to educate the youth and adults in the community I grew up in, to provide them not only with educational opportunities, but also mentorship. The WU Scholars Program has helped me focus my attention and energy to my education and community. I think education is really important when it comes down to economic opportunities. I already see the opportunities and the doors opening up before I graduate.
The Western Union's got a long history of supporting education. We're excited because it means that we can give back to communities where we have customers and employees all around the world. Please consider applying today to the Western Union Scholars Programme.